Problem 1. Solve for x, 2x equals 10. Divide both sides of the equation by 2. 2x over 2 equals 10 over 2. Cancel the common factor of 2 on the left side. 2 cancelled out, x over 2 cancelled out equals 5. The simplified result gives the value of x. X equals 5. Answer: x equals 5. Problem 2. Solve for x, 3x plus 4 equals 19. Subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. 3x plus 4 minus 4 equals 19 minus 4. Cancel the terms that sum to 0 on the left side. 3x plus 4 minus 4 cancelled out equals 15. Rewrite the equation after simplification. 3x equals 15. Divide both sides of the equation by 3. 3x over 3 equals 15 over 3. Cancel the common factor of 3 on the left side. 3 cancelled out, x over 3 cancelled out equals 5. The simplified result gives the value of x. X equals 5. Answer: x equals 5. Problem 3. Solve for y, 5y equals 35. Divide both sides of the equation by 5. 5y over 5 equals 35 over 5. Cancel the common factor of 5 on the left side. 5 cancelled out, y over 5 cancelled out equals 7. The simplified result gives the value of y. Y equals 7. Answer: y equals 7. Problem 4. Solve for z, 4z minus 8 equals 12. Add 8 to both sides of the equation. 4z minus 8 plus 8 equals 12 plus 8. Cancel the terms that sum to 0 on the left side. 4z minus 8 plus 8 cancelled out equals 20. Rewrite the equation after simplification. 4z equals 20. Divide both sides of the equation by 4. 4z over 4 equals 20 over 4. Cancel the common factor of 4 on the left side. 4 cancelled out, z over 4 cancelled out equals 5. The simplified result gives the value of z. Z equals 5. Answer: z equals 5. Problem 5. Solve for x, 7x equals 42. Divide both sides of the equation by 7. 7x over 7 equals 42 over 7. Cancel the common factor of 7 on the left side. 7 cancelled out, x over 7 cancelled out equals 6. The simplified result gives the value of x. X equals 6. Answer: x equals 6. Problem 6. Solve for y, 2y plus 10 equals 26. Subtract 10 from both sides of the equation. 2y plus 10 minus 10 equals 26 minus 10. Cancel the terms that sum to 0 on the left side. 2y plus 10 minus 10 cancelled out equals 16. Rewrite the equation after simplification. 2y equals 16. Divide both sides of the equation by 2. 2y over 2 equals 16 over 2. Cancel the common factor of 2 on the left side. 2 cancelled out, y over 2 cancelled out equals 8. The simplified result gives the value of y. Y equals 8. Answer: y equals 8. Problem 7. Solve for z, 9z equals 81. Divide both sides of the equation by 9. 9z over 9 equals 81 over 9. Cancel the common factor of 9 on the left side. 9 cancelled out, z over 9 cancelled out equals 9. The simplified result gives the value of z. Z equals 9. Answer: z equals 9. Problem 8. Solve for x, 6x minus 5 equals 25. Add 5 to both sides of the equation. 6x minus 5 plus 5 equals 25 plus 5. Cancel the terms that sum to 0 on the left side. 6x minus 5 plus 5 cancelled out equals 30. Rewrite the equation after simplification. 6x equals 30. Divide both sides of the equation by 6. 6x over 6 equals 30 over 6. Cancel the common factor of 6 on the left side. 6 cancelled out, x over 6 cancelled out equals 5. The simplified result gives the value of x. X equals 5. Answer x equals 5. Problem 9, solve for y, 8y equals 64. Divide both sides of the equation by 8. 8y over 8 equals 64 over 8. Cancel the common factor of 8 on the left side. 8 cancelled out, y over 8 cancelled out equals 8. The simplified result gives the value of y. Y equals 8. Answer, y equals 8. Problem 10, solve for z, 10z plus 5 equals 55. Subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. 10z plus 5 minus 5 equals 55 minus 5. Cancel the terms that sum to 0 on the left side. 10z plus 5 minus 5 cancelled out equals 50. Rewrite the equation after simplification. 10z equals 50. Divide both sides of the equation by 10. 10z over 10 equals 50 over 10. Cancel the common factor of 10 on the left side. 10 cancelled out, z over 10 cancelled out equals 5. The simplified result gives the value of z. Z equals 5. Answer, z equals 5. Problem 11, solve for x, 12x equals 36. Divide both sides of the equation by 12. 12x over 12 equals 36 over 12. Cancel the common factor of 12 on the left side. 12 cancelled out, x over 12 cancelled out equals 3. The simplified result gives the value of x. X equals 3. Answer, x equals 3. Problem 12, solve for y, 3y minus 7 equals 14. Add 7 to both sides of the equation. 3y minus 7 plus 7 equals 14 plus 7. Cancel the terms that sum to 0 on the left side. 3y minus 7 plus 7 cancelled out equals 21. Rewrite the equation after simplification. 3y equals 21. Divide both sides of the equation by 3. 3y over 3 equals 21 over 3. Cancel the common factor of 3 on the left side. 3 cancelled out, y over 3 cancelled out equals 7. The simplified result gives the value of y. Y equals 7. Answer, y equals 7. Problem 13, solve for z, 11z equals 99. Divide both sides of the equation by 11. 11z over 11 equals 99 over 11. Cancel the common factor of 11 on the left side. 11 cancelled out, z over 11 cancelled out equals 9. The simplified result gives the value of z. Z equals 9. Answer, z equals 9. Problem 14, solve for x, 5x plus 15 equals 40. Subtract 15 from both sides of the equation. 5x plus 15 minus 15 equals 40 minus 15. Cancel the terms that sum to 0 on the left side. 5x plus 15 minus 15 cancelled out equals 25. Rewrite the equation after simplification. 5x equals 25. Divide both sides of the equation by 5. 5x over 5 equals 25 over 5. Cancel the common factor of 5 on the left side. 5 cancelled out, x over 5 cancelled out equals 5. The simplified result gives the value of x. X equals 5. Answer, x equals 5. Problem 15, solve for y equals 28. Divide both sides of the equation by 4. For y over 4 equals 28 over 4. Cancel the common factor of 4 on the left side. 4 cancelled out, y over 4 cancelled out equals 7. The simplified result gives the value of y. Y equals 7. Answer, y equals 7. Problem 16, solve for z, 2z minus 12 equals 4. Add 12 to both sides of the equation. 2z minus 12 plus 12 equals 4 plus 12. Cancel the terms that sum to 0 on the left side. 2z minus 12 plus 12 cancelled out equals 16. Rewrite the equation after simplification. 2z equals 16. Divide both sides of the equation by 2. 2z over 2 equals 16 over 2. Cancel the common factor of 2 on the left side. 2 cancelled out z over 2 cancelled out equals 8. The simplified result gives the value of z. Z equals 8. Answer, z equals 8. Problem 17, solve for x, 15x equals 45. Divide both sides of the equation by 15. 15x over 15 equals 45 over 15. Cancel the common factor of 15 on the left side. 15 cancelled out x over 15 cancelled out equals 3. The simplified result gives the value of x. X equals 3. Answer, x equals 3. Problem 18, solve for y, 7y plus 3 equals 24. Subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. 7y plus 3 minus 3 equals 24 minus 3. Cancel the terms that sum to 0 on the left side. 7y plus 3 minus 3 cancelled out equals 21. Rewrite the equation after simplification. 7y equals 21. Divide both sides of the equation by 7. 7y over 7 equals 21 over 7. Cancel the common factor of 7 on the left side. 7 cancelled out y over 7 cancelled out equals 3. The simplified result gives the value of y. Y equals 3. Answer, y equals 3. Problem 19, solve for z, 13z equals 26. Divide both sides of the equation by 13. 13z over 13 equals 26 over 13. Cancel the common factor of 13 on the left side. 13 cancelled out z over 13 cancelled out equals 2. The simplified result gives the value of z. Z equals 2. Answer, z equals 2. Problem 20, solve for x, 8x minus 10 equals 30. Add 10 to both sides of the equation. 8x minus 10 plus 10 equals 30 plus 10. Cancel the terms that sum to 0 on the left side. 8x minus 10 plus 10 cancelled out equals 40. Rewrite the equation after simplification. 8x equals 40. Divide both sides of the equation by 8. 8x over 8 equals 40 over 8. Cancel the common factor of 8 on the left side. 8 cancelled out x over 8 cancelled out equals 5. The simplified result gives the value of x. X equals 5. Answer, x equals 5. Problem 21, solve for y, 20y equals 100. Divide both sides of the equation by 20. 20y over 20 equals 100 over 20. Cancel the common factor of 20 on the left side. 20 cancelled out y over 20 cancelled out equals 5. The simplified result gives the value of y. Y equals 5. Answer, y equals 5. Problem 22, solve for z, 6z plus 12 equals 48. Subtract 12 from both sides of the equation. 6z plus 12 minus 12 equals 48 minus 12. Cancel the terms that sum to 0 on the left side. 6z plus 12 minus 12 cancelled out equals 36. Rewrite the equation after simplification. 6z equals 36. Divide both sides of the equation by 6. 6z over 6 equals 36 over 6. Cancel the common factor of 6 on the left side. 6 cancelled out z over 6 cancelled out equals 6. The simplified result gives the value of z. Z equals 6. Answer, z equals 6. Problem 23, solve for x, 14x equals 28. Divide both sides of the equation by 14. 14x over 14 equals 28 over 14. Cancel the common factor of 14 on the left side. 14 cancelled out x over 14 cancelled out equals 2. The simplified result gives the value of x. X equals 2. Answer, x equals 2. Problem 24, solve for y, 9y minus 9 equals 72. Add 9 to both sides of the equation. 9y minus 9 plus 9 equals 72 plus 9. Cancel the terms that sum to 0 on the left side. 9y minus 9 plus 9 cancelled out equals 81. Rewrite the equation after simplification. 9y equals 81. Divide both sides of the equation by 9. 9y over 9 equals 81 over 9. Cancel the common factor of 9 on the left side. 9 cancelled out, y over 9 cancelled out equals 9. The simplified result gives the value of y. Y equals 9. Answer, y equals 9. Problem 25, solve for z. 25z equals 125. Divide both sides of the equation by 25. 25z over 25 equals 125 over 25. Cancel the common factor of 25 on the left side. 25 cancelled out, z over 25 cancelled out equals 5. The simplified result gives the value of z. Z equals 5. Answer, z equals 5.